Hey, good evening, folks. Look at this. This is just absolutely stunning. So it's been raining all day today, and so obviously that is the sunset. Yeah, but look at these colors, just gorgeous. It is October 20th or something like that. So it's no longer super hot, and it's just beautiful weather, and all the trees are starting, the leaves are starting to fall down. So I'm gonna come out here actually pretty soon and rake up some of those leaves and use them as mulch, because I have some more blueberries and some lime trees and other plants I need to plant here before it starts getting too cold. But I cannot resist coming out here and just taking a video of this. Oh my God, this is just stunning. Sometimes, you know, you kind of wonder if it's worth living in the countryside, and this is it. For me, absolutely. Well, so I'm flip-flopping around around the house here because this was totally unplanned. Let me go ahead and walk down to the Japanese garden because I've been working on that. Just kind of show you what's going on there. Let's go ahead and check out the view from this angle right here. I put up my GoPro because I've been trying to capture these moments little by little. So from here, you can't see that much anymore. But so the plan today was to work here in the Japanese garden. Obviously due to the rain, I was not able to, but the good thing is that my little water contraption thing is working, and so I'm going to be hopefully cleaning it out tomorrow and continue working on the cover. And all this area right here, you're gonna have decorative rocks, and on top of that, obviously this is you won't be able to see the water is just going to flow down. I ordered a water pump on Amazon. It should be coming in tomorrow, and I could probably just experiment with it and kind of drain it while I'm at it, and then continue working on the little waterfall and the shishiodoshi, the little bamboo water fountain, and get that going. Let's go over here, see if we can see the sunset from this angle. I'm probably gonna pay for it because again, I'm walking around in flip-flops here. The chestnuts are coming down too. We have chestnuts, the very famous kind of ganeguri here in the Iwakuni. I mean, here in the Miwa, they're called. Some friends are gonna be coming over to get some. A lot of people are being asking, can I get some chestnuts? Absolutely, go ahead. The other day I gave away a whole bunch of persimmons to the entire neighborhood. They all can see that we were like one of the few that has some persimmons, one tree over there in particular. And so I gave some away to all the neighbors. And then again, now the chestnuts are coming up. Figs did not do very well this year. Kiwis are looking a little promising, but it's still a little early. We've had the windows open all day. Look at this, really nice flow going through. Love this time of the year. And I have no idea what Choco's doing over there. What are you doing? Cleaning the window. Out of nowhere, she just started cleaning the windows. Okay, but wow, look at that. Just stunning. This is the reason why I absolutely love living out here in the countryside. All right, well, all right, so that was just a quick little update on nothing, I guess. Mainly, I just wanted to show the sunset because I ran outside real quick, and again, the whole point of all this is just sharing some of our lifestyle here in the countryside of Japan. But yeah, stay tuned for this. There's a whole lot more coming, and then I'm also working on the garage, doing some French cleats in the garage, making it a little bit more efficient place to work out of. All right, folks, have a great evening. Bye.